Phase 2 phonics. The sounds and the words. S, sun, a, ant, t, ten, p, pig, I, in, n, no, man, d, dog, g, gun, o, on, k, cat, k, kiss, k, duck, e, egg, up, run, hat, bat, frog, off, lips, bell, kiss.